Hey guys, what's up? If you love Pokemon Go, check out this video. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Pokemon Go spoofer. What is a spoofer, you might ask? Well, a spoofer is going to let you tell the game what location you're actually in. So you're in your bedroom, you're in your living room, wherever, but you can tell Pokemon Go that you're in New York, you're in Dallas, you're in Tokyo, wherever, so you can enjoy all of the raids and events that are happening all around the world from the relaxation of your couch. Right, so here I am in Pokemon Go, right? I tap on this icon in the top left and then I tap on favorites and look at all of these locations all around the world. I can pick any one. Here I am, I pick Dallas, and look, it teleports my character in game to Dallas. Just like that, here I am in Dallas. It's that simple. So, how can you get this spoofer? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's very simple, just a few short steps. So, let me close Pokemon Go and show you how to get started. First things first, go to Settings. Then you're going to go to General, and then you're going to go to Background App Refresh, and you want to make sure that that is on. You want to select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, we go all the way back, and then we're going to go down to the battery section. Tap battery. Once you're there, you want low power mode off. You want that disabled. Lastly, we go back, we go down to App Store section, we make sure that automatic downloads is enabled. All right, that's it. Next, we're going to go to this website that I tell you. So open up your web browser and head to pokespoof.com. POKIspoof.com. I'm going to bring the phone in closer so you can see it clearly. Just like that. And as you can tell here, it's available for Android or iOS, whatever your phone or device supports, it supports. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to tap install, give it a second, and it's installed. It's just that simple, just like that. So next time you open up Pokemon Go after doing that, like I'm doing here, and if you follow along with me, if you did everything that I told you to do, when you open up Pokemon Go, you're going to see that icon in the top left. That's the spoofer, okay? That's the spoofer icon, and when you tap that, you'll be able to travel all around the world. So, just like that, you should have the spoofer installed. You can join me. Here I am in Dallas. You can be here with me in Dallas right now, even if you're in Kansas, whatever. You can get that, you can start playing, you start capturing these Pokemon that aren't normally in your location. It's that simple, it's that easy. So make sure you go to pokespoof.com. That's all you need to do. Install the spoofer, get started playing today. Look, I just registered this to my Pokedex. I've never caught this one before because it's not normally in my neighborhood. It's that easy.